Did you know that a clean and spacious living room can improve your productivity, your health, and your well-being? Did you know that a shiny floor can convey an image of professionalism, trust, and quality? If you work in a cluttered space, you are likely to feel stressed, tired, and unmotivated. In addition, you may be exposed to bacteria, viruses, and allergens that affect your health and that of your colleagues. But if you work in a space like this, chances are you'll feel comfortable, happy, and motivated. In addition, you can enjoy a hygienic, safe, and healthy environment that promotes your performance and creativity. LH Maintenance Service, commercial cleaning that improves your work. How to get a space like this? Very easy, hiring LH Maintenance Service, the commercial cleaning company that offers you the best solution for your living room or yours suffices. LH Maintenance Service is a company with more than 6 years of experience in the commercial cleaning sector. We have a team of qualified professionals equipped with the latest technologies to guarantee an efficient and satisfactory service. We offer a wide range of services adapted to your needs and your budget. From cleaning salons, offices, commercial premises, to disinfection, polishing, shining, and floor maintenance. LH Maintenance Service, the commercial cleaning company that improves your work. Call now.